gentlemen, a very warm welcome to Las Palmas. The local time is nearly 25 minutes to 3. The outside temperature is approximately 20 degrees. For your safety and for the safety of those around you, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened securely until the captain has switched off the seatbelt signs. Before you leave us today, please ensure that you have all your personal belongings with you. Take a look in the seat pockets, under your seat, and in the overhead compartment. Please be careful when you open the overhead compartment that none of the contents have shifted during the flight that could fall out and cause injury. Any lost property that is found will be handed to our ground staff here in Las Palmas. If you are given an additional seat belts or life jacket, please leave these on your seat prior to disembarking. And if you have requested assistance, then please remain seated until all other customers have disembarked, and then the cabin crew will be happy to assist you. Please also have your passports ready for inspection by the immigration authorities, and as a reminder, you may only smoke once you have exited the terminal building. If you are on a holiday with TUI or First Choice, you will need to look for the TUI representative in the arrivals hall. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it just remains for me to thank you for choosing to fly with TUI. It's certainly been our pleasure to have you on board today. And on behalf of Captain Matthew Russell and your crew, we wish you a very pleasant stay. Thank you once again, and a very good afternoon to you.